On this video, we're going to be comparing fractions, so it's going to be greater, less than, or equal to, and there's two ways that you can do this. You can change one of the fractions to have a common denominator. Remember, this is equivalent fractions. Or you can look at the fraction and decide if it's closer to 0, 1/2, or 1 whole. So take a look at number 1, 3/8 compared to 1/2. Well, if you change 1/2 to eighths, then you would know that that is 4/8. So 1/2 is bigger than 3/8. You can also go back and look at 3/8 and say that 1/2 of 8 is 4, and 3/8 is less than that, so that's why it's going to be less than 1/2. So two ways you can look at it. Number 2, 5/8 is what compared to 1/2? Well, we already said that 1/2 is 4/8, so we know that 5/8 is going to be greater than. This one is less than. 2/4 is the same as 1/2. Now take a look at 5/12. So think to yourself, well, what's half of 12? That would be 6/12. So 1/2 would be equivalent to 6/12, which means that 5/12 is less than 6/12. And then 7/12, again, we said that 1/2 is 6/12, so 7/12 would be greater than 1/2. 5/10 and 1/2. 5/10 is 1/2, so this would be equal to. Now here's one that might be hard, 3/5. 3/5 and 1/2. So thinking about what we did in the other video, what is half of 5? Half of 5 is 2.5. So 2.5 fifths would be 1/2. 3/5 is going to be just a smidge bigger. So that would be greater than. And then 2/5, remembering again, we said that 1/2 is 2.5. So 2/5 would be a smidge smaller. So the ones that have denominators that are odd numbers, like these, you are going to have a decimal numerator to equal 1/2. So 3/7. What is half of 7? Half of 7 is 3.5. So that's where the 3.5 would be, which means this is less than. And still remembering that that's 3.5 over 7, this would be greater than. Try 11 through 14, pause the computer video, and then go back to it. Go ahead and check your work for 11 through 14, and then I'll put the answers up for 15 through 28. You don't have to do all these. You've got plenty of stuff going on this week, so just do what you can. There, the rest of the answers are up for you. Hope you have a good rest of your day.